Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we share daily online tips and hacks. And today I'm going to teach you how to see your interactions on Instagram. First is we open our Instagram application. Then we click on our profile page on the lower right corner. And once we're here, we click on the three lines on the upper right corner. Then we click your activity log, which is on the third option. And in here, we look for interactions under photos and videos. Tap it. And here you can see your interactions. You can click and see comments, your likes, and your story replies. And that's how to see your interactions on Instagram. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe.